Good morning. All right, so very muted reaction from the economic releases. We have a very tight range on the overnight session. Inventory is 100% short, even though it looks very compressed. Everything happened right below yesterday's close, so I'm looking for a first move up. If we break yesterday's high and then we start moving higher, then we're gonna start getting into this higher value from a while ago. And we need to accept prices higher. That means that we need to start putting volume above yesterday's high. And there's a lot of poor structure up here, a lot of single prints that haven't been revisited. The higher volume here is at 4120, 4140. So 4150 is repair of the second set of single prints. But the higher part of this value area would be around 4170. So 4170 will be my 4180 if we really push today, but I doubt it that we're gonna get that high. Especially now after this muted reaction. Although there's a 10 a.m. release, Michigan sentiment, sometimes that moves the market. Now, if we're able to get below the overnight low, 40.57, then we have this area, which right now I would expect it to act as support. So 41, 40, let's see, what is this? 40.32. Between 40.32 and 40.35.5, which is the previous week's high. If that breaks, then we're probably going lower. There's a huge level here, 40.20. I mean, not a huge level, but there's a big low volume node here. So if we get below 40.20, then we're gonna get back down here to the 20-day point of control at 40.13, and then we want to see if the single prints hold between 4006 and 4012. And if that breaks, then we got this one at play again, 39.88. And remember, if we're trading back here, what should happen is that within the next few days we should see the other end, because we're trying to break out of this range. So if we fail, there will be a sign that we're gonna test the lower value side of value. Right now the range goes all the way to 3900, but we're putting a little more volume here. This is starting to look a little bit like a double distribution here. So this is the first area that I would expect support around 3960. If that breaks, then we're gonna revisit 3910 area. 3900 should hold. I hope that makes sense.